rhyme with skill and get it all done with time to kill. Smoking on a dime, now popping a pill. Rhymes are coming out with wits and skill. Got a full cup of lyrics and plenty to spill. This game's a thrill, and we got as many as 20 objectives to fulfill. Good beats is what I seek. My lyrics are unique. The climb up this hill is hard, but I reach the peak. In the shadows I sneak. In this tree MCs are weak. The futures look bleak. No need to speak. I'm the lyrical geek. Havoc is what I wreak. I'm just killing this beat with my flowing technique.
Hey yo, I spit lyrics quick like Kung Fu. You look like Saddam Hussein, I thought they hung you. I launch lines like a medieval catapult. Make you look childish like you need an adult. I ain't the best yet, but I know I'm falling near. I'm just trying to be falling here. No matter the objective, you know I'll volunteer. I know that getting to the top of the rap hill is steep climbing. I wish that I could leap timing, but can't. All I can do is keep rhyming and doing my analysis. I leave you without words with lyrical paralysis. We climb the hill, we rhyme with skill, and get it all done with time to kill. Smoking on a dime, not popping a pill. Rhymes are coming out with wits and skill. Got a full cup of lyrics and plenty to spill. This game is a thrill, and we got as many as 20 objectives to fulfill.
The way I get this inspiration, it's such a great sensation. Doing it for motivation, smoke it up in concentration. Life has always been a complication as I exceed with total domination. I don't expect to gain anything from the times I chilled and rehearsed. Gaining lots of knowledge and skill, but can't feel my hunger and thirst. The lyrics just keep building up inside, I'm about to spill and burst. Cause it feels like I'm stuck in the game and I'm so heavily immersed. I love smoking weed and rapping, but skating will always come first. I miss the old days cause these times feel like the worst.
You people think I'm slacking off, man, you think this shit is easy? Tell me that again when you see me on your TV, handing out freebies to the people at my shows. You still think this guy blows? I'm even handing out free shit to the shy hoes. Sure, the city is beautiful, I love the scenery, but people in this town don't know what my music mean to me. It's even more important than puffing my greenery, but I still smoke weed, I never said that I would stop. I climb that hill and fall over dead at the top. We climb the hill, we rhyme with skill, and get it all done with time to kill. Smoking on a dime, not popping a pill. Rhymes are coming out with wits and skill. Got a full cup of lyrics and plenty to spill. This game is a thrill, and we got as many as 20 objectives to fulfill.
Time to end this shit cause I got a new story to tell. Thinking about hard times when I struggled and fell. Hate myself cause I haven't been living that well. Demons inside, I break to break out of my shell. Reacted without thinking, now just feels like I'm sinking. Trying to stay away from drinking, coming up on the brinking of being overwhelmed and grieved. I continue to deceive, don't ever believe cause Nanaimo's my home, yeah, I won't ever leave.
My rap style is versatile, I created more than one way. To me, sit down and writing rhymes is just fun play. I don't care if it's a Friday, Saturday, or a Sunday. I don't care what day of the week. You better listen to every word I say as I speak, cause I'm a little faster than average. It's how I got the nickname agility. First came quickness, then along came stability. If we got beef, better hope that we not in the same facility. No rapper should ever underestimate my lyrical capability. I can't remember the last time that we lost. If your lyrics are frozen, better put them on defrost.